Hey, what's up? This is Stealth. Welcome back to Motor Gear Solid once again on the Rebel 500 stuff going on today. Last video, I blacked out the bike. Look at it. It's no longer silver. Look at that. Oh wow. So nice. Much better. Now this is the Honda Rebel I want. Like the silver was okay, but I actually wanted a black Rebel and I wanted this cowl on the headlight. Yeah, much happier with this. With the tank cover and the stock OEM fender that's black, came black, so I don't have to paint it or anything. It was awesome. So today, what I'll be doing is I'll be installing a lower fairing. It's the Diablo fairing, so it should install pretty easily. It's good quality. Seen other people install it and it looks great. All right, here's the package. Ooh, got a free keychain. Look at that. Popcorn keychain, cute. Alright, here's the hardware. This is the bracket. If you're ordering this fairing, make sure you get this bracket. Make sure it's included because some copies of this fairing kit, they don't have the bracket and you need it or else it's not going to be stable. I'm assuming this is authentic. It has the Diablo sticker and you get this nice heat shield. Usually the copies you don't get the heat shield or anything. I'm assuming this is legit. Okay, so here's the front piece. See the heat shield right there as well for the exhaust pipes on the headers, so that's good. It also has threads for the screws already embedded into the plastic, which is amazing. Here's the other side. Here's the right side, I believe. And also, see, nice heat shield and the sticker. Make it authentic. Good. Alright, let's get this lower fairing installed on the Honda Rebel 500 because I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. Alright, here is the front fairing, the lower belly fairing installed. The issue I had was this screw not lining up again for some reason, but I eventually got it. The other side was really tough for some reason. Everything else wasn't too bad. Because you gotta remember this stuff ships in like a bundle like you saw earlier. So there's gonna be some flexing and stuff on the way when it's shipped, so just be prepared to flex some pieces, especially these screws here. So like this front section has to go under this lip, then you screw this through and then it'll catch the thread behind it. So you just gotta flex the plastic a little bit, it'll move, it's flexible, so you'll get everything lined up eventually. Just have some patience. Other than that, everything was fine. The WD-40 is a must because it comes really matte and dusty, so once you oil it up with some WD-40, you can see it has a nice sheen and it goes really well with the bike, but it's not like shiny. In person it's more of like a very light satin. It looks way better when you do the WD-40 kind of wipe. I learned this from the CBR 250 when I got the new fairings for the black CBR. I removed the CBR 250 logo and there was deoxidized paint underneath, so I just used some WD-40 and it brought back the luster, and it definitely worked with this. I think you probably have to do it once, I don't know, or whenever you clean it, I guess every once in a while. Clean it and then just give it a wipe. You don't have to use too much. It did the job. Looks beautiful. Alright, so here's the Honda Rebel 500 all blacked out from its original silver look. Looking more like a bat bike. This is how I envisioned my Honda Rebel when I first got one, but like I said, it was silver, but I knew I'd find a way to make it black. What I do like about the fairings is that there's a cut here in the design, and it gives room for these frame sliders. So hope you like the way it looks. Let me know what you think. There are a lot of designs. You can find other designs. You don't need this specific design. This is more my style. It looks very simple, but it flows really nice. The other ones are more like tech. Like they're more like sharp angles and stuff. Those are cool too, but this is more my style, like I said. But if you want to add this to your bike, you can. It doesn't take too long. It's actually a really cool upgrade, and it looks great. Really brings the bike together, I'd say. And yeah, really happy. Remember to subscribe to Motor Gear Solid. Remember to like the video, and I'll be back. Yeah, done talking. See you guys in the next video. Bye.